Hi guys, I'm Jazel and welcome to Schoolbox PH. We cannot deny that science is the best tool we have to understand how our universe works. However, the first step in doing so is to try and understand each language and how each term differs in its scientific context from its everyday use. We're going to be looking at facts versus hypothesis versus theory versus law. Ano nga ba ang facts? Simply speaking, facts are observation about the world around us. Araw-araw, may na-observe tayo. Katulad ngayon, ma-observe yun na magandang lighting sa video. Baka dahil ito sa magandang quality ng lights na ginamit or sa pagkaka-edit, or pwede na rin maganda talaga ang sikat ng araw ngayon. An observation is the basis of an explanation and this is called hypothesis. Hypothesis is an explanation for a phenomenon made as a starting point for further investigation. Contrary to belief, hypothesis is not something we prove, but something we test. Usually, marami tayong ginagawa na hypothesis to explain a situation. Kapag natest na natin, the process of elimination comes and kung ano man ang matira can lead to new hypothesis na pwede ulit i-test. Kapag enough na ang hypothesis na nag-gather, this could be compiled and presented as a theory. A theory is a well-substantiated explanation acquired, repeatedly tested and confirmed through the scientific method. This is the way that we know why something happens. Ang kagandahan nito ay pwede natin gamitin ito as a basis for prediction. See, hindi lang siya nakakatulong to know why things are the way they are, but also why they will be what they'll turn out to be. Let us have an example. Fact, kamukha ko si Papa. And here are the hypotheses. Number 1, napasa sa akin ang dominant facial features ni Papa. Number 2, bunsong kapatid talaga nila ako. Pinapanggap lang na anak. Number 3, mas dominant ang genes which carry physical features ni Papa kaysa kay Mama. And number 4, pinasurgery ako ni Papa para maging kamukha niya. We could test the 4 hypotheses, alisin ang mga mali, and find out that numbers 1 and 3 are confirmed. These evidences then become further support to the particulate inheritance theory. Tapos na tayo sa fact, hypothesis, and theory. So ano naman ang law sa science? Law is a statement based on repeated experimental observations which give a detailed explanation, usually using math, to explain how something happens. Let's continue sa example natin kanina. We use the particulate inheritance theory, and according sa confirmed hypothesis, it is the law of dominance which explains kung bakit ko naging kamukha si Papa. Another example is gravity. Alam natin na kapag hinulog ko itong apple, maglaland siya sa sahig. The law we can use to explain how this happened is the law of universal gravitation, which we can solve using the mass of the apple and its distance to the floor prior to its fall. Hypothesis. There is a force acting upon the apple or baka magnetic lang talaga ang apple sa sahig. Eliminate natin ang mga mali and we are left with a theory. Fan trivia. Gravity is both a theory and a law. Si Sir Isaac Newton na nag-formulate ng law of universal gravitation which explains kung paano ma-attract ang dalawang bagay sa isa't isa based on their masses and the distance between them. However, hindi nito may explain why gravity happens because that is the job of a theory. Luckily, gumawa na si Albert Einstein nito which we now call the theory of relativity. Clear na ba sa atin kung ano ang differences ng apat? Let's recap. Facts are observations, hypotheses are the explanations to be tested, which can explain the facts, and theory is a compilation of confirmed hypotheses and explain why something happens, and a law gives the mathematical explanation of how something happened. Well, that's all for today. I hope na marami kayo natutunan. If you want more of these lessons, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Schoolbox PH. Follow and like our Facebook page and Instagram account, Schoolbox PH. Give this video a thumbs up and share. Bye!